Okay, so a few months ago, I've seen all over Pinterest, to be exact, all these porcelain animals, and I just fell in love with them. They're so pleasing, they're so aesthetically pleasing that I thought I would give it a try. And of course, I tried it and I loved it. But then I realized that all the paintings I was going to do were pretty much of animals that are way too pretty and not realistic. And what I wanted was to actually have realistic animals that I could base my paintings on. So I just went on TikTok and I've asked some of my followers to just send me pictures of their pets, and I would just make paintings of them, like Delft blue inspired kind of paintings. And well, that's what I'm going to do. Apart from my watercolor and my acrylics, I'm also adding in this kind of style because I really want to get better at it. I know this is nothing new because it has been done, but most of the pictures that you see on Pinterest and on internet are actually AI generated, and while they do look stunning, I do want to learn to make it myself, because I think artificial intelligence is great for inspiration, and it is great whenever you're blocked. I love working with artificial intelligence to get me out of my rut. But I do think that it is more important for me on the long run to learn how to do something with my hands. First of all, because my muscle will gain memory, and that is always good. And then because sometimes what you see on the internet is not actually doable, and some things are doable. So with that, I can actually, if in the future when I'll get a commission, if a client asks me about this kind of style, I can tell them exactly what I can do and what is not actually possible to do. This is the first pet I'm doing, and I know it's not perfect, but I know that some paintings will be worse and some paintings will be better as far as execution, and I'm here to learn and practice. So I hope you like my rambling and my practice, and I hope I'll see you guys in the next video.